Hey guys, it's Moto Mike. So I have a next one. Today we're gonna install a clear clutch cover, which I have just received. So I'm gonna take you through it. It looks really nice. So let's do it. And it's gonna look awesome. It's gonna go right here. What you have to take off is those 5 bolts, and these are Torx 30. There's another 3 underneath for the plate. So I'll take you through it. Let's do it. Next, those 3 bolts. Okay guys, these 3 bolts, they need to be tightened up to 12 Newton meters. So you need a click Torx wrench. Okay guys, with the cover you're gonna have new bolts which are exactly same length, but they have a Torx on the back. So use that. Put the cover back and just put the bolts back in. I know there's 3 long ones on the top and the side. Yeah. And they need to be tightened up to 10 Newton meters, so just do the same thing. Set it up to 10. And there you are. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's installed. It looks good, nice and clean. But I've heard and read a couple of reviews, and some people say that they have a leak on the bottom. So keep eye on that, and you know, I'm gonna check it every couple of miles. If it's not leaking for 5-10 miles, it shouldn't be leaking at all. But if it's leaking, then you have to get the different sealing in between and make sure it's tightened up properly. But other than that, it looks perfect. I love it. So as always, stay safe on the road guys. If you can, subscribe, it would help my channel a lot. I appreciate all the comments, no matter if they're positive or if you don't like something, if you hate something, just, you know, still tell me. We can work with it. The bike is awesome. It's 1500 miles so far. I've been riding it as long as I can every day. But like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me help out. I'm gonna be installing a couple more things, and the exhaust is coming. I know I said that before, but it is coming. I spoke to the company, and it looks like it's gonna be here soon. So yeah, let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you on the next one.